Hey guys, Coop here. Let's make a face mask. Now right off the bat, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a scientist. I do not know the legalities when it comes to how well these things will protect you. All I know is that something on your face covering your nose and your mouth is better than nothing on your face. And this little face mask is simple and easy. Anyone can make it. You don't need a sewing machine, you don't need hot glue, you don't need pins, nothing. So let's dive right into it. All you need is a couple of coffee filters is what I'm using, or you can use the blue shop towels, you know, that looks like paper towels. They say those work really good. A lot of guys are buying the filters from Walmart that go in your air conditioner, and they're cutting those up. But me personally, this right here coffee filter will work just fine for me going to the grocery store or the gas station and coming home. It's just something to keep you a little protected while you're out there during this freaking pandemic. Bandana, you can get these Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Family Dollar, just about anywhere you can think of you can buy a bandana. They might be a little bit hard to find, and if you can't find them, just try and find a piece of material that's at least as big as a bandana. And these things are pretty good size. Let's measure it and see how big they are. Okay, I'd say they're probably 19 by 19 piece of material. So it'll work just fine. Now, to make these, real simple. Ooh, what's that? Piece of string. I take the coffee filter, I fold it, see the round piece in the center? I fold it just over that round piece. That's maybe 2 inches. Turn it around. Same way on this side. Now that's your filter. That's what's going to protect you. Set that out of the way. Turn this long ways. And what I try and do is find the center. You find the center of it, which usually on these is about like corner to corner here. So you grab the corner of it, you pull it down, you touch the other corner. Once you've touched the other corner, pull everything as neat as you can get it. And the coffee filter is right up here. Then you just take the bottom, fold it all the way up until you find the bottom of the coffee filter. And then since you got this hanging over the top, just grab it, tuck it in. There you go. You can't get any simpler than that. Now you just grab these 2 pieces here, put it on your face. Once it's on your face, run your hands all the way out, wrap it around, tie it in the back. Done. Simple and easy. No fuss, no muss. Alright guys and gals, that's the simple face mask. Like I said, I am not a doctor. I don't know the legalities on how well these will protect you, but something is better than nothing. And if you need to wash it, you just pull the little filter out of it, throw it in the washing machine, wash it, put a new filter in it, you're ready to go. And once again, like I said, something is better than nothing. Okay, guys and gals, you want to put your comments and questions down below? I'll be more than happy to answer anything you post. And you guys all know we've got the social media sites up and running. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, my Facebook like page. We've got Swampville Craftables. All the social media sites will be down below. Come over and join us on one of them, all of them, or none of them. It's entirely up to you. And with all that being said, old Coop's pretty much going to say, Coop out and stay safe.